Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving our new Hyundai. This is a 30L-9A model. It's a 6,000 pound. It's a pneumatic tire forklift. Wade is going to give us a quick demonstration. Has very tall, large stature, aggressively treaded, large solid pneumatic tires, plus a 3-stage mast, which approximately does 185 inches of lift height. Heavier mast rails for rigidity, 48-inch pallet forks, side shift carriage. Units running the Hyundai L4KB LP gas engine. Same engine as they put in their cars with the 100,000 mile warranty. This unit is equipped with heel holding or hill assist, electronic parking brake, speedometer, tilt angling, machine inclination, adjustable speed limit warning, standard wet disc brakes, full suspension grabber seat, full light package, quick response control levers, secondary horn and rear grab handle, operator friendly gauges with water resistant panel cover and fully adjustable steering wheel. Plus, to finish it all, beautiful finish. You can check out our new forklifts or used forklifts here at our stores in Denver or Fort Collins, or online at abetterforklift.com. We appreciate the time. Thank you much.